Hello, welcome back guys. In today's video, I will show you how to limit login to one device at a time for a user. If same user login from another device, that user won't be allowed to log in from this device. To do that, first you need to visit dashboard. Once you logged into your site, go to the plugins and click on add new. Search only one device. Install first plugin. And activate it. Once you install the plugin, go back to dashboard. Scroll down to the settings. Click on folder limit login. Here you can auto logout set auto logout duration. For example, you set 5 minutes. When user inactive for 5 minutes, this user should have to log in again. Check this enable for admin box. Change logout message and change already login message. Now save changes. Now open a new tab from another browser and search this domain. Let's try to log in from the same username. Add username and password. Click on login. You can see the user with this username already logged in. Go back to your main site. Click on users. Click on users. Here you can see user status, like user when last activate. This time is selected by default WordPress. You can change this by going to settings. In general settings, scroll down. From the time zone, you can change your time zone. If you couldn't understand these codes, you can select your city. I'm selecting from Asia, Karachi. Scroll down and save changes. Now you can see your own time and last activate status. That's how you can limit a user to log in from one device. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.